Hello and welcome back to another tutorial video. Today, I'm going to show you how to send money to friends or family on PayPal, and best of all, how to avoid getting charged extra fees. Normally, when you log into your PayPal account, you'll be at your summary page. Now, for this example, I've created a brand new account just for this video. The tab you need to click on is the middle one labeled Send and Request. Once you're there, you'll see two options: Send Money, Request Money. We're sending money, of course, so go ahead and choose Send Money. Next, enter the email address of the person you want to send money to. Remember, they must have an active PayPal account for this to work. After typing their email address, hit Enter, and you'll be taken to the next page. This is where you'll enter the amount you'd like to send. You can also add a note. Maybe it's a gift or something personal. Then make sure to choose the recipient's country or region of residence. That's important too. Once everything looks good, click the blue Continue button. Now PayPal will ask, "What's this payment for?" You'll have two options: sending to a friend or paying for an item or service. If you pick paying for an item or service, PayPal will charge you a small fee. But if you pick sending to a friend, there are no fees at all. So, if you're just sending money to someone you know, choose Sending to a Friend. But remember, you can't use this option if you're actually buying something online. Once you're ready, you'll see a button that says Send Payment Now. In this demo, I don't have that option since it's a new account, but for you, it'll appear right below. Click that button, and PayPal will instantly transfer the money from your balance or your linked credit or debit card to your friend or family member. If you're using the mobile app, the process looks almost the same. Go to Send Money, enter the amount, and you'll see the same two options: send to a friend or family, or purchase an item or service. And that's it. You've just sent money to your loved ones with no extra fees. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy tech tips just like this. See you in the next video.